You've said that the Nazca Lines in South America were man-made. If so, how do you explain the one particular set of lines, the spider, as it shows it is with the reproductive organ on one leg only? The actual size of the spider is in real life is tiny, and its reproductive organ could only be seen through a microscope. Microscopes had not been invented when those lines were laid down. How did they know about it? That's from Dave.
Well, number one, man has been a good surveyor for thousands of years. Again, we could go to the Egyptians, the Chinese, India, Africa, every continent. Man was highly intelligent, well educated, coming through the flood with Noah and the family to the Tower of Babel, and then spread across the earth. Individually, people were much more intelligent than today. Secondly, while you may say that these organs are microscopic and therefore invisible, that is not exactly true. It's not exactly true either that people weren't able to see magnification. It is quite possible that they were able to magnify. After all, you can magnify using nothing more than water. If you had a clear vessel with water and hold an object behind it, the water will magnify it. You don't even need a glass lens.